Is your Windows PC fully protected during startup? Most people think their computer is safe just because they installed antivirus software. But there's a critical security layer that protects your PC even before Windows starts, and may computers are about to face a major problem with it. If your PC is more than 2 years old, the Windows Secure Boot certificate installed on your system may expire in June 2026. And if this certificate expires without being updated, your computer could experience boot failures, security vulnerabilities, and even exposure to dangerous boot level malware. But don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly check your secure boot certificate and update it properly, so your PC stays secure, stable, and protected from modern threats like bootkits and ransomware. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand why Secure Boot is so important. Secure Boot is a security feature built into your computer's BIOS or UEFI firmware. Its job is simple but extremely important. It ensures that your PC only boots using digitally signed software or trusted manufacturers. During the startup process, your computer goes through a verification process with multiple authentication steps. The very first and most important step is checking a public certificate, which confirms that the software loading during boot comes from a trusted source. Your PC's UEFI firmware stores a list of manufacturer certificates, which basically work like a digital ID cards for trusted software vendors. These certificates play a crucial role in protecting your system from dangerous threats such as bootkits, rootkits, and advanced ransomware attacks. That's why keeping your secure boot certificates updated is extremely important for your computer security. Now here's the issue. Most computers that were manufactured before 2024 are using an older certificate called Microsoft Corporation UEFI CA 2011. This certificate is scheduled to expire in June 2026. Once this certificate expires, your PC will receive updates to the Windows Boot Manager, and systems running outdated certificates could potentially become vulnerable to new security threats. To solve this problem, Microsoft introduced a new certificate called Windows UEFI CA 2023. Updating to this certificate ensures that your systems remains protected against modern boot level attacks. Now let's see how to check if your PC already has the latest Secure Boot certificate installed. The process is very simple. First, go to your Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Then click on Run as Administrator. This works the same on Windows 11 and Windows 10, so it doesn't matter which version you are using. Once PowerShell opens, paste this command. Don't worry, I will leave it in the video description. After running the command, you will see one of two results, true or false. If it shows true, that means your PC is already using the latest Secure Boot certificate and you don't need to do anything. As you can see here, in my case, it is true. But if the result shows false, then your system is still using the older certificate and you should update it as soon as possible. Microsoft is gradually rolling out these updates through Windows Update, but there is no guarantee that every system will receive the update before the expiration date. So it's always better to check and update it manually if necessary. If your result shows false, you can manually install the new Secure Boot certificate. This is especially helpful if your Windows updates are paused, your system uses manual update settings, or the update hasn't reached your device yet. To do this, you will run two commands in PowerShell. So open PowerShell as administrator again. Now paste the first command from the description and press enter. Since my result was true, I am not running this. However, if your result is false, you must run these two commands. This command will add a registry entry to your system, preparing Windows to install the updated certificate. After running the first command, PowerShell will confirm that the registry keys has been successfully added. Next, copy the second command from the description. Paste it into PowerShell and press enter. This command will activate the Secure Boot certificate update on your system. Once the command completes successfully, you can close PowerShell. This step is very important. After running the commands, you need to restart your PC twice. Restarting twice helps clear temporary memory and finalize the certificate installation, ensuring the update is properly applied. After this process, your system should now be running the latest Windows UEFI CA 2023 Secured Boot certificate. If you prefer, you can also simply enable Windows automatic updates. When updates are active, Windows will automatically install the latest Secure Boot certificates as they become available. However, if you have updates paused or set to manual, using the PowerShell method is the fastest way to make sure your system is protected before the 2026 expiration date. And that's it. By taking just a few minutes to check and update your Secure Boot certificate, you can protect your PC from serious boot level security threats and future startup problems. If this guide helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.